Hello, this is a tutorial on 6.4a1. In order to do this sheet successfully, you're probably going to need this cheat sheet I've got right here. So I'm just going to go up here and give you a chance to snap that. See if I can get it a little bit nicer for you. It's got some standard units of measure on there, and it's also got the abbreviations. Okay, sounds good. Let's get going. I'll be referring to that in a second here to refocus and get down to our assignment for today. All right. Well, let's get going here. Well, I like to use the box to do these because it helps me organize my thinking. So 3 pounds is how many ounces? Well, just to show you, I would go on this sheet here and I would find pound to ounces, and here I find 1 pound is 16 ounces. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to put down that 1 pound is 16 ounces. So I have the pounds and have the ounces organized in columns. Pounds, ounces, ounces. So then I can multiply diagonally. 3 times 16 is 48. 48 divided by 1 is just 48 ounces. I know it seems kind of silly when you're multiplying by 1, but this is the way I organize things. 16 quarts is how many gallons? Well, again, on the cheat sheet, quarts and gallons. 1 gallon, 4 quarts. 1 gallon, 4 quarts. So 1 gallon, 4 quarts. See how I make sure to get my labels lined up? Gallons, gallons, quarts, quarts. 16 times 1 is 16. Divide by 4 is 4. Just remember that in the box, you always multiply diagonally first and then divide. You can do that a number of ways. You always multiply and then divide. All right, let's go ahead and here do this. 24 inches is how many feet? Well, let's see. In 1 foot, there's 12 inches. So 24 times 1 is 24, divided by 12. You can use a calculator on this, is 2 feet. And we just keep going on down the line. Here's another one down here. I'm skipping around. 12,000 pounds is how many tons? Well, let's take a look at our list here. 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. So let's put that in. 1 ton. Here's tons. So 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. So 12,000 times 1 divided by 2,000. You can use your calculator again, but that's 6 tons. Here's another one. 64 ounces is how many pounds? Well, let's go back up to the top here. We had that 1 pound is 16 ounces, so 1 pound, 16 ounces. The tough part about my little strategy here is making sure you put things in the right spot, and that's why you'll see that I'm labeling them. 64 times 1 is 64, divided by 4, that's 4 pounds. Now, these are very easy measurements, but they also work for other ones as well. Let's take this one down here. 5.5 feet is how many inches? Okay, well, we look on our sheet. 1 foot is 12 inches. So how are we going to put that into the calculator? 5.5. Well, isn't that the same as 5.5? So we can put that in. 5.5 times 12 is 66. And of course, when we divide something by 1, we just get the same thing. It's 66 inches. See how slick that worked? Well, here's another one. 1/4 of a mile is how many feet? Well, let's put this in here. Let's look on our sheet here. Let's see, that would be length. 1 mile, 5,280. So make sure we get this. 1 mile, 5,280 feet. And how are we going to make quarter into a decimal? Well, a quarter is 25 cents, right? So 0.25. So let's just put that in. Clear this out. 0.25 times 5,280. That equals 1,320. And then we just need to stop and see if this makes sense. A quarter of a mile is this much. 1 mile is this much. Yeah, this one's a lot more. It's 4 times as much. All right. Good luck on that. Again, here's that cheat sheet. You want to take a look at it. I have the abbreviations over there in case you're not familiar with them. Slide that down so you can see the bottom half. And here's a teeny tiny one. I'll just zoom in. Maybe you want to snap this one instead. I'm not sure if that's going to get clear enough for you. Yeah, it's a little murky. Probably be better off with the big one and reducing. Good luck. Thanks.